Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reopen already viewed snaps on Snapchat. So first of all, open Snapchat application, then go to the chats option at the bottom left corner. Now from here, let's say for instance I'm going to open the snap that my friend has sent me. Let's tap on it. Now you can view your friend's snap according to the time that they have set. Now as I viewed the snap already, let's tap on the friend's conversation. Then all you have to do is long press on the snap that says hold to replay or save. Then tap on the option of replay on top. Now again, tap on tap to view. So now you have been able to view the same snap the second time. Now if you long tap on the chat again, you can also save the snap on chat or you can replay again. However, you would need subscription to Snapchat Plus to replay the snap again. So if we tap on the option of save in chat on top, you can see that this snap has been saved on chat. Now you can also unsave it anytime or save it to your camera roll as well. So you can unsave in chat like this and this snap will be removed after some time. So that's how you can reopen snaps that you have already viewed on Snapchat. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.